and welcome back to zoo building. Sorry, not zoo building, to my Minecraft zoo tour. We left off here. Sorry, I totally wasn't watching the time, and then it went off, and I was like, oh no, I didn't get to say goodbye. But it's okay, because we're back. And I'm so glad I'm doing so many episodes today. Okay, so, we're just gonna check out this creeper enclosure, because this is where we ended off. Climb. Okay, there we go. Okay, now, I'm not sure if he's visible from here, if he's trying to show himself or not. His name is Grassy, and he's a creeper who was rescued, and, well, basically, he was somewhere and he did something bad, and now he's here and we're giving him a second chance. So his name is Grassy, and he doesn't get mad at me because I'm creative. Well, he doesn't get mad at me because I rescued him. AKA I'm creative. So now we are going to go check out the other side of the monster area. Just first I need to check this out. I wonder what it is. Oh, never mind. This is the wrong side. That was, where there was some zombie villagers here, and I rescued them. A whole bunch of them. But unfortunately, I think I started a little bit too far from my area, so I had to bring them all the way back, and it was a very hard process, and I actually managed to take down that train track. So here's our, please do not look TP'er in the eye. So TP'er is the name of that, and I'm allowed to look him in the eye right now, but I can't usually. So this is just the end. And I have special access because I'm the zookeeper here. Hello, TP'er. Hello. And sometimes he teleports out of his little area, but it's okay because he'll promise me to come back. And I don't know what really happened here, but leech exhibit. And they're not really leeches. Oh, right, there was a hole in the exhibit, and they all escaped. Yeah, I don't think that should happen in a real zoo, but, moving on. Oh, right, I brought Spartin over here for some reason. I was practicing the jumps just to make sure I was all done. And now here is, our little, whatever those things are called. We have some of those. And Spartin is going to tour us around, and after this video, we're just going to he's going to tour us back to his enclosure. So, this is the mushroom area, and I actually got mushrooms to grow. You've got to make a dark spot. You just sort of got to surround it with a 3-block high fence in the middle of the night. Like, you got to wait till it's midnight. You could do T/time set midnight, and then it'll be really dark, but you still need to make a little 3 blocks all around it, and then it'll be good. Come on. So maybe we should start living now, and the whole world start hard feeling. Okay, so let me just. Finally, I found it. Oh, the doors. So, I'm gonna drop Spartin here, and it's not show jumping day yet, but trust me, there will be a show jumping day. And again, this video might need to be ended quickly because my dad is making lunch, and I have to get out one from front. Honestly, wait, did we tour the whole zoo? Guys, we've covered the whole zoo. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we've covered the whole zoo. Maybe today's show jumping day. Guys, today's show jumping day. Yes, I just gave this whole video a new name. So, we are going to be doing show jumping. Uh-oh. Sorry, I did this thing again. Okay, phew, you're still there. I did this thing again, and luckily it survived. So I did add in a little clip to the beginning. Not in the video, but a little extra thing to the beginning. And our first round, we're going to do it with this. These are what I call middle high posts. When I was doing them, I was trying to make trot posts, but then I measured and I was like, these are totally not trot poles. So there are trot poles outside, and we're gonna do those afterwards. So, ow, whoops, wrong side. Sorry, boy. Sorry, Spartin. And while this video is uploading, last video was, actually, I shouldn't be talking while I'm doing the course. It'll be very silent when it comes to the course, okay? Sorry, guys. But basically now, I'm just going to do this course and, sorry, what was I saying? Right, in the other world, I am working while these are uploading, so there is something for you guys to see. Hint, 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 hint. I won't tell you guys though, and you know what, I'll explain that stuff in the other series. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I'm not timing him, because it's not like we're practicing for a big show. If we were, then I would have a bunch of other horses lined up. Because if we were having a big show, I would just pretend that I was many riders. And then I actually have a special... Sorry, I shouldn't be talking while I'm doing this. I have a special little thing that I've recorded on my tablet. So it's like, and here comes, and then it says Spartin's name, and then it's like, coming up next is Spartin, and it's like, woohoo! But honestly, I might have deleted that then. Okay, well, here goes. Now it is the quiet moment. And watch this amazing jumping horse. Maybe we should start living now. So maybe we should start living now. Come on, Spartin. Okay. I'm sorry if I mess up on that jump. I need to start over. I'm so sorry. Or maybe I'm not. Okay, well, we're going to try to do this quicker, and hopefully I can get Spartin to not refuse that jump. That one's super hard, because you need to make your horse jump before the actual jump, so that they'll jump over the water and onto the fence post, and then you get there over. And you can't actually knock down these rails. When I'm doing a show, what I call a fault is when you try to go over a fence and you actually need to go around it because your horse can't jump it. Oh, and that's the only thing that I've got, like, the first 2 jumps, and that really tests the horse's abilities. And then this jump determines if they can actually do the show, because it actually it takes up a whole lot of time for you to gallop and you jump and then stop, and you probably try a few times, and then have to go all the way back around, so usually somebody wouldn't win if they did that, but yeah, that's my little ways. Don't question me, I'm not really a Minecrafter, I'm a real world Minecrafter. I mimic real world, so here goes. Good boy, Spartin, you're doing really good on these high fences. Here comes some huge fence posts. Come on, jump. So, baby, we should start. Sorry, that would have counted as a fault. Dang, I'm not doing very good at this. To tell you the truth, this is not really supposed to be in the show because it's hard to do these and then get in, but we'll do them. No. I've already. I can't. Okay, let's go. trying this one more go. If I have to stop again, then I'm not going to do it with these in the beginning. Because I find I need to warm up my horse and, like, get him to run around a bit. But this jump is really hard to approach like this. Come on, we can do this. Especially because my game is lagging a bit. Maybe we should start living now. With the whole world that hard feed. Come on, Spartin. Yes, we made it. Now here comes the evil flowers, Spartin. Evil flowers. Come on, Ella. Come on. Come on, you can do it, Ella. Come on, Spartin. You can do it. Good boy. Here comes the lots of evil flowers. We did it, guys. Okay, now we are going to do it with no high posts. And that was only one fault. Because I did do a little fault, if you guys didn't see. But, yeah, on this jump right here, very hard to actually jump because the point is you're trying to get over one of these, not just sort of jump in the middle because horses can't fit through that. So you have to really try to aim for it, and I actually got pushed to the side and got over here, and I got a fault if you guys didn't see that. But here goes. Now I'm going to warm up my horse. Come on, Spartin. Yeah, here goes. Just nice and easy. Can actually make you go at a nice speed. I would make you canter right now if I could not gallop. But they made horses like this is because horses aren't really made for this in Minecraft. They're made for war fighting and stuff. Come on, jump. Good, Spartin. Yes, we made it. So maybe we should start living now. With the whole world that hard feeling. Come on, here comes the last jump. Okay, we made it. And you'll notice on all of my jumps like this, I'll do a jump like this for the final because I find there's anything with blade rods, and then I always put tons of evil flowers. And so how it works is as you're approaching the jump, there's these evil flowers, which are supposed to give you a bit of bad luck on here, and then there's these really evil flowers, and they're supposed to make you fail and either fall or your horse to knock down all the rails, get a fault. And these flowers are to make it so that your horse would land and then trip up. So, yeah, lots of evilness there, but it doesn't really work in Minecraft because they're just flowers. Okay, so now we're going to go outside and do the trot pools before I forget. I know, Spartin, I know, lots of work. I've been making you jump, but you're amazing. You're my best jumper. He's one of my favorite horses. But don't tell the others. Okay, well, yeah, next video will definitely be one where we're in our other world, and that will be amazing. So I might actually not be able to be working while I upload this video because I'm eating lunch, and so I'll try to finish the other thing, and then I'll bring you on, and then I'll be like, hello, and welcome back to Zubalang, and we have been away for a little while, but luckily it hasn't been a few days. It's only been like one day, and I've gotten all these videos. But here goes. One day to practice, one episode to practice. So right now we're just going to do the gallop pulls, which is where you just fall, and up, down, and it's really fast, but it makes you dizzy a bit. So trot pulls. Good boy, Spartin. Now we're gonna try to attempt trot, which to make my horse go slow, I just sort of spam the W finger. Come on, trot pulls. So hopefully I don't get distracted and I can actually say goodbye to you guys. Oh no, I think my dad. No, that's just our fire alarm that always goes off. So bye, and I will see you guys next time. Say bye, Spartin. Me!